Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at a mathematical problem under factorization. Let's say if 3 raised to power 2x equals 27, what will the value of x be? Find the value of x. Find the value of x. If 3 raised to power 2x equals 27, find the value of x. First thing we'll do here, we bring out the real problem, which is 3 raised to power 2x equals 27. In what way can we replicate 27 that will give us in such a way that we will have a base number 3? Yes, if we multiple of 3, that's 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9 multiplied by 3, that's 27. So this will give us 3 raised to power 2x equals 3 raised to power 3. Since the power is equal, since the base is equal, we'll proceed by equating the power. Once we have equal base, we'll equate the power. So we now have 2x equals 3. And we have x disturbing our 2 here. And we are looking for x, not 2x. So to get the value of our x, we have to divide both sides by 2. So when we divide both sides by 2, we'll be left with x equals 3 all over 2, or 1 whole number 1 all over 2, either ways. So the value of our x is 3 all over 2. The value of our x here equals 3 over 2. Let's see another problem under the same factorization. Let's see x raised to power 1 over 3 equals 3 raised to power negative 1. How are we going to go about this? This can also be written as x raised to power 1 over 3 equals 1 all over 3. Yes, so what are we going to do to eliminate this? So we multiply both sides by the power of 3. So let's do it this way: 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 all over 1 equals 1 whole number, 1 all over 3 raised to power 3. Since we are multiplying both sides by 3, so this cancel this, we'll be left with x equals 1 all over 3 raised to power 3. So we now open this bracket. To open this bracket is also same as writing x equals 1 raised to power 3 all over 3 raised to power 3. So our x is now equals to 1 all over 27. So in this case, our x equals 1 all over 27. If you are just joining my channel, kindly do me a favor, by subscribing to my channel, like my videos, and turn on the notification button so that in a couple of hours, in a couple of days, when I release another video, you'll be notified. Thank you. See you next time.